Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular Taiwanese dish, braised pork rice. Of course, you need to have a fresh rice cooked while prepare this dish. First, mince 6 or 7 garlic cloves into tiny pieces. Then cut a red onion into thin slices or strips. Now cut a pork belly about 1.5 pounds into small strips. Boil 5 eggs for 8 minutes and peel the shells. Set aside. Now heat oil in a wok over medium heat until it's half heated. Then put in red onion slices and keep stirring until they turn golden brown color. Then filter off oil and set aside. Please be patient as it can take over 10 minutes for this step. Put cut pork belly meat into non-stick pot. I use a ceramic pot here. Start to stir fry over medium heat until the fat or lard renders out and meat turns a little golden color. This may take about 5 to 8 minutes. Now, add in minced garlic, white sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, rice wine. I use Japanese sake here. Continue stirring for a minute. Now, add in filtered water to fully cover the meat. Then add in 5 spicy powder, black pepper powder, then bring the soup to boil over high heat. Now, add in peeled boiled eggs and the fried red onion slices. Then give a brief stir. Now turn on the heat to medium-low and simmer for 50 minutes. Stir occasionally. When time's up, remove the pot from heat. Add braised pork meat and halved eggs onto the top of fresh rice bowl. They smell great and taste heaven. Let me know how you like this recipe. Thanks for watching Little Cookbook. See you next time.